Hello everyone. So today we are going to start our fourth chapter of science class 3 soil. So in this picture you can see so many types of soil, pebbles, dead plants, clay, water, earthworm and microorganisms. So in this picture all the things are made up, all the things, sand, pebbles, dead plants, clay, water, earthworm, microbes, that all make a soil. So, in this chapter, we are going to see how to form a soil, what soils contain, and uses of soil. So, first of all, how soil is formed. So, let's learn how soil is formed. Soil is formed by breaking down of rocks. Big rocks are broken due to heat, sun, sunlight, rain, wind, and then that broken soils are process of breaking down of rocks last for thousands of years, and then over a over a time rock breaks into a smaller pieces shown in the picture. Then, dead plants and animals also play an important role in the formation of soil. So, soil is very important for the growth of plant. So, in this, first of all, how the soil is how the soil is formed, broken down of rock due to sun heat, rain, water, wind, etc. And then this process of broken down of rocks continues for 1,000 years, and then the dead plants and animals that are also plays an important role in the formation of the soil. The soil is formed by the breaking down of rocks. It takes thousands of years to form a small amount of soil. The color of the soil differs from place to place. Soil may be lighter brown in one place and darker brown in another place. In India, red soil, black soil are also found. So in this way soil are formed. Soil are formed. Now what soil contains? What does the soil have? So soil contains humus, sand, clay and pebbles. So what is humus? Humus means the remaining of dead plants and animals. Humus hold the water and provide nutrient to the plants. It make the soil fertile. It is usually darker brown or black. Clay soil contains of very fine powder forms of rock that feels smoothly. Sand is the gneiss part and contains of a bigger particles of rock. So you can see in the picture there is a sandy particles. Next is pebbles. So pebbles are small and smooth stones that found near the river bank. So that is known as a soil. So what does soil have? It has humus, sand, clay and pebbles. Next is circle the odd one out. First, water, nutrient, humus, electricity. So electricity is not a part of a soil. Sand, clay, nutrient and pebbles. So sand, clay and pebbles are of are useful to make a soil. So nutrient is odd one out. Next is heat, rain, wind and soil. So heat, rain and wind are used to make a soil. Next, write true for the true statement and false for the false statement. Soil is formed by the breakdown of rock. That is true. Soil is not important for the growth of plant. False. It takes a few years to form a small amount of soil. That is again a false statement. It not just take few years, but takes thousands of years to form a soil. Next is soil contains water. So when some garden soil is heated in a container covered with a lid, drops of water are noticed in the inside of the lid. This shows that soil contains water. The water is in the soil forms water vapor when heated. The water vapor touches the lid and cools down to form a droplet of water. So this is basically evaporation and condensation process. Next is soil contains air. We know that when we add water, pour a water and keep it in a jar, air bubbles start forming. So this shows that soil contains air trapped between its particle. When water is poured, this air escape in the form of a bubble. Now, where we use a soil. So some uses of soil are as follow. Plants need soil to grow. They take in water and nutrient from the soil. Farmers grow crops in the soil. They make the soil fertile by adding manure. So what is manure? That is animal waste mixed with the soil to grow a plant. That is known as a manure. Crops grow well in fertile soil. Without soil, plants would not place to grow. Plants are eaten as food by human and animals also. In this way, uses of soil are important to grow plants for farming. So hope you have understand this. In the soil we found many animals in microorganisms also, that is earthworm, beetles and snail are some animals that live in soil also. So soil is important for microorganisms also and for animals also. So let's see our exercise. Objective types questions. Fill in the blanks with the correct word. Dash provide water and nutrient to the plant. So soil provide nutrient and water to the plant. Soil is formed by the breaking down of rocks. The color of soil differs from place to place. The water in the soil turns into water vapor when heated. When water is poured over soil kept in a jar, air bubbles start forming. So this is our fill in the blanks. Moving to next. Next is choose the correct option. Which of these do plants need to grow? Air and water, light, soil, all of this. So plants need to grow, that is air, water, light, soil, all of this. Which of these help rock to break down? Sunlight, sun heat, rain, wind, all of this. So all of this is the answer. Which of this does not contain soil? Humus does not contain soil. Which of this is not true about humus? It is formed from dead remain of only animals. It makes soil fertile. It gives nutrient to the plant. It holds the soil. It holds the water. So it is formed from dead remains of only animals. And it makes soil fertile also. So A is the right answer. Which of these animals live in soil? Earthworm and beetles, ant and termites, owls and parrots. Both A and B. Both A and B is the correct answer. Which of this is the grainy part of the soil? So sand is the grainy part of the soil. How long does it take to form a small amount of soil? So it takes thousands of years to form a small amount of soil. Which of these animals do not live in soil? So fish do not live in soil. Next is match the following. So root, fixed plants to the soil. Soil, earthworm and leach. Humus, dead remains of plants and animals. Clay, so very fine powder, fine pieces of rocks. Manure, so it's a fertile soil. Next is very short answer. Give one word of the following. The top layer of the earth where plants grow, that is soil. Part of soil that is made up of dead remains of plants and animals, that is known as humus. Crops grow well in this type of soil. So it is fertile soil. Things added by farmers to make soil fertile, that is manure. Write two examples for each of the following. Soil provides this to plant. So soil provides water and nutrient to the plant. Moving to the next question. Color of a soil, it may be red, brown or black. Things that soil contains, that is sand, air. Animals that live in soil, that is ant, earthworm, snail, etc. Next is a concept map. So formation, the rain, water and heat of the soil helps in breaking of the sun help in breaking up of the rock. So there will be rain, water and sun. Next is dead animals and plants also play a very important role in the formation of soil. Next is contain. So it contains humus, muddy water, sand fines, air and nutrient. Uses of soil. So it is used for growing the plant and it is used for farming also. Hope you have understand this chapter. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Please share this video also. Thank you so much.